Your average power is a lie. Two rides with the exact same average wattage can result in completely different physiological damage. A steady 200 watts feels sustainable, but 200 watts achieved by alternating 400-watt sprints and coasting. That wrecks you. To measure true load, we need a metric that penalizes volatility. This is the training stress score formula. It discards average power for normalized power to account for metabolic cost. It standardizes everything against one golden rule. 1 hour at your functional threshold power is exactly 100 points. Let's prove why this matters. A 2-hour endurance ride at 65% intensity accumulates about 85 TSS. But a brutally hard 45-minute criterium race, that also hits 85 TSS. You now have a universal currency to compare duration against intensity. But here is the hidden trap. TSS relies entirely on an accurate FTP input. If your FTP setting is even 10 watts too high, your calculated stress score drops artificially, hiding your true fatigue. Runners use rTSS. The math changes, using pace interaction instead of power, but the 100-point threshold remains. This allows triathletes to sum cycling and running stress into a single, total workload number to prevent overtraining. Finally, realize the blind spot. TSS tracks metabolic volume, not neuromuscular trauma. A session of 10 10-second max sprints yields almost zero TSS, but requires 48 hours of recovery. Never use TSS as your only recovery metric. Next, we'll use these numbers to predict your peak fitness.